Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Best of 67's Workshop. Welcome to issue 72 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman, brought to you by our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this along with me, this 1/8 scale Batmobile, head over to the Fanhome website. There is a clickable link below in the description. You two can be building this iconic piece of TV history. Right, let's have a look through today's magazine. We've got the Joker's Hard Times there. The Jungle Cat Queen from Detective Comics. Batman 2000 there, Part 2, Gotham City was rebuilt following the devastation of No Man's Land. There you go. Batman, it's Joker. Looking rather psychotic there, doesn't he? This is the Huntress. And this is what we've got today. We've got another seat cover with some foam inserts and the other seat belt insert, which is going to go just here on our floor section. So we'll need our floor section from previously. And then this is what we're going to have. We've got the seat cushion with the two foam inserts ready to go, awaiting the frame that's going to be coming in next week's issue, folks, okay? So we'll grab our bits and pieces, we'll get it all together, and we'll get this ready to accept the new seat, folks, okay? So here's our parts, similar before. You've got your two foam pads there ready to go behind here, okay? So they'll be sitting with the seat cushion, and then we got the other seat belt clasp that is going to go in, okay? So we want our floor section. So this is where we're at the moment with our floor. And I've gone ahead and I've actually fixed my seat belts in place just to stop them flapping about. It's just my personal preference, okay? So we're going to be going around in this side. So obviously we want to pop this one back in situ from where we removed it in the previous issue. So let's just pop that back in. Simple press fit. Flip that out the way. And then this will be going in. So it's going in this little hole right down in the corner there. So let's just open that up a little bit more. Like so, because obviously I've fitted carpet in mine. So that's now going to go in there. Like so. Big resounding click. And then that will come along the side there, ready for when the seat cushion goes in place, folks, okay? So that's that in place. We're then going to be bringing this in the next issue with the chrome surround, and we'll be fitting the seat pan, etc. So that's today done. Nice, simple little issue there, folks. Some stages of the Partworks, they are like this, I'm afraid, where you get quite a simple little episode going together. But that's what we've got today, okay, folks? So don't forget, if you want to grab this and build this along with me, go to the Fanhome website, all the way along there. There's a clickable link in the description below, and you too can be building this iconic Batmobile along with me, folks. In the meantime, click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there. You'll get notified of upcoming content. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye for now.